Get up. Ooh, that ball just hit me in the face. It's time to do farm chores. What do you think about that? Mm-hmm. That'll turn you on right there, won't it?
I've never been to more classes.
Although this is a little revealing. If this don't make the men hard, I don't know what will. Okay. What are we supposed to do now? Please look at my beautiful Christmas tree. In all of its 12 feet wonder. Ain't it 12 feet? It's beautiful. I did it myself. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears went into this tree. Come, I'll show you the tree in the master hall. This is the other tree that I spent my blood, sweat, and tears putting together. Beauty and grace. And you know what? For Mo, the old ugly toothless bitch that said my trees was tacky, so is your mammy. Fuck with me. Fuck with me. Ooh. Don't be going down them stairs trying to see up my skirt now. This ain't no OnlyFans. Shit. Good morning. What in the Sam hell? Y'all ain't Winston. Come on. Come on. Come on. Winston, Winnie, come. Come on. Come on. Oh, my titty's finna fall out. Come on, y'all gotta go back in. Y'all not supposed to be out here. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let Winnie. Winnie, get your big ass in. Come on now. Come on, Winnie. Let's go. In. In. Damn. Okay. See, that's how y'all's children should act. But y'all don't beat the hell out of them, so they don't know how to act. I'm coming, shut up. Move! Oopsie. Back it on up. Back it on up. Back it on up. Like a U-Haul truck. Hey! Move. Uh-oh. There you go. Woo! Hello? Why my damn shit on the floor? Damn. Come on, angels. Hello? Ugh. Good morning, Mary Kate. Hello, Ashley. Oh, wait, Ashley dead. Hello, Blackie Chan. Leave her the fuck alone. You ain't got no damn sense. Don't piss me off. I'm gonna beat y'all's asses. Try your mama, not me. I guess I am their mama, ain't I? Okay, let me get some water. Hold on, they want some worms. Uh-oh. Hello? Here y'all go. Enjoy some worms. Uh-oh. I feel like I'm just... Hold, please. You got me out here looking like a damn hussy. Okay. Here, Mary Kate. Here, Angel. Blackie Chan. Gray. Dolly Parton. Here you go, angels. Left eye. Here, baby. Flock party. I feel like we need a Matt Mathews. Y'all want a Matt Mathews flock party? I feel like we need it. Here you go. Beautiful. There you go, angels. Shit. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. My shit froze. Come the fuck on. Shit. Come on, you some bitch. Motherfucker. My shit froze. Uh-oh. Open sesame, bitch. I'm a witch. I said open sesame, bitch. You finna piss me the fuck off. Oh, my auntie's leaving. Let me go say bye. Here I come.
Hello?
You leaving?
Yeah, I am leaving. You have a good time. I'll see you on Christmas Eve.
Where you at?
I'm at the main road. Gonna
Oh.
go toward the gate. Why? Bitch, that's funny right there.
Goodbye.
Bye. Love you.
Love you. Have a wonderful time.
I will. I'm gonna go wear out them grandbabies. Bye.
All right.
I love you. I'll see you on Christmas Eve.
Goodbye.
I expect you to be wearing the same thing. Yes, baby. Yeah. Swing it.
Uh-huh.
Swing it.
I'm telling you. I got
Love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye. Where are my dogs? It's cold as a well digger's ass out here. Well, they water's frozen, so they got what they got right now. Hello, angels. Hello, angels. Ugh. My nose is running like a crackhead. Give me your ass. Shit. Come here, little guy. Come here, little guy. One little step closer. Got your ass. You're an angel, just a little baby. Hey, bitch, I'll fuck you up. You gonna make these bitches call PETA on me. Cause you don't know how to act on camera. Maybe I'm like, since I'm in the tractor, I'm like, Like that. Sir, did you shit on me? Did you fucking shit on me? Quit! Quit! You fucking up my reel. Did you shit on me? You nasty motherfucker. You about to go to KFC. You know, I gotta feed you, but I gotta make money to do that, so you need to act like you got sense. Bye. Nasty motherfucker. 1, 2, egg for me. 3, 4, more eggs for me. Motherfuckers. Hi, Angel Mama. We gotta take your dress off. Getting up to 60 today, lady. Hey. Hey, Mama. Hi, Mama. Ugh. Ugh. Hey, little angel girl head. Little angel girl head. Okay. Philly. How I'ma do this? Don't be looking over here. Ah! Foos, let me take your dress off. What? Foos, sit your ass still. Ugh. Come on, Angel. I gotta be petite about it. You ain't finna catch me slipping. Oh shit. Oh shit. That's how you be a lady. Oh my God. Motherfucking horses. Luna. Angel. Luna. Luna, come here, Angel. This bitch is about to run from me. And I'm going, oh. Luna. Come here, Mama. Hey, motherfuckers. Stop right there. Let me try to get her. Mama. Mama. Mama, come here. Come here, lady. Oh, Priscilla. Luna, I mean shit. Luna. 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 If you don't get your ass over here, you black bitch. Where are you going? Luna. Luna. Oh my God. Damn buttholes hanging out of this robe. Fucking hate it here. Where are you going, you crazy bitch? This is fucking ghetto. Back in her stall. Oh, ratty ass. Come here, bub. You see your little eyes has got crusties. Your eyes are crusty. Your eyes are very crusty. I see. I see. Oh. Let's take your hood off, lady. Sweet girl. Shit. We got these tactical blankets. You can't see the little thing. Tactical. Go ahead and get you one of them blankets. Hi, Angel girl. Oh, shit. I shocked the fuck out of her. Sorry, mama. Now she's weaving. I done got her anxiety up. I'm sorry, Angel. I didn't mean to shock you. I'm sorry, mama. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry, lady. Come here. She mad as hell at me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, lady. I didn't mean to do that to you. I'm sorry. Hi, princess lady. Hi, princess lady. That's what she thinks of me right now. Damn, I done gave her diarrhea. She said, fuck you. Fucking Cinderella out here in this bitch. Ooh. Ooh. Shit. It's a little hot up in here. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Your mom's a hoe and that's for sure. Get out the damn way. She's twerking all the way. Oh, I can't fucking breathe. Move, Chance. Dashing through the hose on a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, sucking all the way. Your grandma's tits is flat, and your uncle's back is fat. What fun it is to Ooh, shit. There we go. Oh, Lord, I hope I don't roll down this fucking hill. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Ah! Shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Reverse, bitch. Put it in fucking verse. Woo! Okay, we good. Deck my house with balls. Fa la 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 la. Lick my clit with. I should be a singer. Fa la 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 la. Don't we now are gay? Yeah, we are gay. Yes, we are. Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas.